is that unfortunately we're coming to a close of our chat. Is there any one thing that you'd like our listeners to take away from our chat today?
Well, yeah, the power and effectiveness of this work, cannot be understated. It is difficult to describe in words. I think I do a fairly good job at it. It is the subjective experience of the work that really opens doors, opens eyes, opens the mind, and helps you to be more of who you want to be and achieve more of what you want to achieve in life. And many people walk through the door because they have pain, they have a difficulty in life with which they're working, and it's very helpful with that. Beyond that, it is a tool for really improving oneself and going beyond just average and going towards really above average for yourself.
Yeah.
What you can do so you can become more fully human, more mature, and a more complete person to live a more complete, satisfying life.
Listen, thank you so much, Al, for a fantastic chat. Not only for myself, but I know that the listeners will get immense value from it. And
well, thank you for having me on. I really appreciate it. I love talking about the work. It's a significant, important part of my life. It continues to fascinate me even after 20 years.
Yeah,
and we'll do so for another 20 years.
Well, let's hope for that.
Yeah.
So thank you so much again. And that's it for today, folks. But stay tuned for another fantastic interview coming your way tomorrow.